Warning: our YouTube channel and its videos may contain scenes, language, and content that may not be appropriate for all audiences. These videos include surveillance footage, undercover pursuit of suspects, actual police and rescue operations, and fearless confrontations. If you do not approve of the content, please do not watch our videos. If you wish to continue, we strongly advise that you proceed with caution. Viewers' discretion is advised.
At nagbabalik po ang Kilos Pronto. Sigurado naghahanap na po kayo ng mga ihahanda niyong pagkain para ngayong linggo. Siyempre kapag Pasko, madalas may cake sa ating pong mga hapagkainan. Kung iba't ibang disenyo ng cake ang hanap ninyo, ito po, tamang-tama po, panoorin po natin.
Iba't ibang hugis at disenyo. Animoy mga laruan lamang. Pero kung yung matitikman, siguradong masarap. Yan ang honey glazed cakes.
Welcome to Honey Glazed Cakes! Baby, Kilos Pronto! Woo!
Nagsimula ang honey glazed cakes bilang home base. At ang pastry chef at cake designer na si Eileen Conde ang nag-manage nito.
Ang Honey Glazed Cakes, it started 7 years ago. We're turning 8 next year. We just started at home. So, we were home-based before. I fell in love with wedding cakes kasi way back 1990s, yung mga wedding cake, hindi siya ganito kaganda.
Kung dati ang cake na gusto mo sa mga pictures at internet mo lang nakikita, sa Honey Glazed Cake, may showroom rin sila.
Before, in my time, when you buy a wedding cake, mamimili ka lang sa album. There was no internet, nothing, walang cake tasting. Mamili ka lang nga sa album. So you have no concept, you have no idea how big your wedding cake will be. We have a commissary, ito yung commissary natin. This is our cake room 1. So we have 2 showrooms within the building. Ito yung cake tasting area. These are the cakes which the clients can try, and then they can decide later on which flavor to serve to the guests. Now, and then we discuss the size.
Mga actual designs at sizes ng cake na iyong nais, dito mo makikita.
The taller your cake, wedding cake, the better it will look on the picture. So, meron akong 5-layer, may 4-layer, may 3-layer. Everything is here, may all sizes. Merong round, may square.
Taste as it good as it looks. Yan ang tagline ng Honey Glazed Cakes. Kaya naman, sinisiguro ni pastry chef kung gaano kaganda ang kanyang design. Ganon rin ito, kasarap.
We make it sure, yung tagline namin is it tastes as good as it looks. So, ayokong gumawa lang ng wedding cake na maganda lang siya tingnan and then hindi siya masarap. So, we're proud of our flavors. When the client comes here, mag-cake tasting sila. We make it a point na masarap yung cake nila. So, they can share it with the guests. Hindi tayo nagtitipid sa ingredients. We use good quality ingredients. So, malaki impact din yun sa cake mo kung in terms of taste.
Sa loob ng showroom, isinasagawa ang cake testing ng mga customer. Ipinakita ni pastry chef ang kanyang sikreto sa paggawa ng wedding cake. Mula sa mga simpleng bulaklak na animoy design lamang, pwedeng kainin. Hanggang on-site wedding location, metikulosong inaayos ni pastry chef ang cake. Ang resulta, simple pero eleganteng cake. Kung cake ang iyong hanap, bisitahin ang Honey Glazed Cake.
Ako, sa video pa lamang ho, nagugutom na ako. Tulad pa niyan, cake pa, Ben, no? Napakatamis. Ingat po sa mga matatamis, lalo na sa yung mga media betes.
Ilang araw na lang, tapos Pasko na. Kaya baka yung iba, hindi pa nga nag-uumpisa na ngayon pa lang.
Yun.
Sus Mario Josep. Kaya ingat. Okay.